what's up? It's Tom Mosher, aka Mosher, coming to you from the suburban wastelands that surround Toronto. Tom Briggs has been hassling me to do a bike check for the Skitch blogs. I thought I'd do it in video form. Here's my bike. So, got it's a volume cutter frame with a prototype fork. Things already been changed though. Got some prototype bars that are apparently too tall, so they didn't like them, but I like them, they're sweet. I got a Demolition BMX stem. I got a cool sticker right there. Actually got cool stickers kind of everywhere. Starfuckers, and apparently that means I'm cool in New York City. I've got a mangled saddle that's not even attached. I've got a beaten, broken DV. This used to be pink, but I didn't want to look gay, so I painted it. The broken spoke and spokey dokes. I got Demolition cranks, they're pretty sweet. Profile bottom bracket. Some Demolition pedals with some straps I made out of seatbelt from Hawaii. I like bolted them together underneath. Pretty nice, I like them. On the drivetrain side, I got this spider that I'm testing out for volume. I guess it's ready to go now. It's pretty sick. It just goes directly on the BMX spline drive. Doesn't even need to bolt to the crank or the crank arm or anything. It's pretty sweet. I don't know, my shit's all beat up, but let's see if I can make it bang.